Transistor color coding. Leftmost band stands for first significant digit. The second band stands for second significant digit. And the third band represent the number of zeros after the two digits or multiplier. Fourth band represents tolerance. First color is black. First and second band is 0, multiplier is none, and tolerance is none. Second is brown. First and second digit is 1, and multiplier is 10. Tolerance is positive, negative 1%. Next is red. First and second band is 2. And multiplier is 2 zeros. Then tolerance is positive, negative 2%. Then third is